it's Pam from Pamela's Creations, episode number 6. I finally have some finished objects. Yes, it's been a while. Had a lot going on and everything else, but I'm trying to organize everything so I can start my own business. So, on my finished objects. Now, some of you probably seen them on Instagram that follow me on there. Little top loveys. There's one. Two, and I left the tags on them so people could see them. 2. Oops. And a little cutie one here. Isn't that cute? 3. Isn't that cute? Like a little dragon or something. That one. I think that's it for those. So I got this idea from Sara Sach on her one of her tutorials. And I thought, you know what? That would be fun to do. Just like a mindless type of easy project that when I'm kind of stressed out, oh, I can do this. And it's super, super easy on that tutorial. She had such a good idea on these. So I couldn't find any more of those, so I went back to the store and got a couple more. These little toppers. So it's called Lovey Little Toppers, I think. There's another one. And another one. And by the way, working with this yarn here, it just slid right through the hook. I like it. It went by really quick. My next finished object. Okay, so just before we start, I show you this one. I showed this on my Instagram and I got compliments, but I am not good with embroidery and I'm not good with stuffing. In fact, I'm not really good with sewing them on either, but I managed it. And this is Bowser, so be kind and gentle. I didn't stuff him very well, but in my opinion that's what makes him unique. And I didn't do his paws. And I got this pattern from the fabulous Angelina at Little Zinnia Patch, and it was not an expensive pattern. It was only like a few dollars. And I got it off her Etsy shop. It's really easy, really quick, really fast, in my opinion. And I just used this was Red Heart with Love Sparkle, I think. Because I like the red. So, this is the pattern I did. I think I have officially bought in all her patterns. I think, yeah. 2 more to do of hers, and so I have them all. Yeah, I will try and link that down. I'm doing this on my phone, and I can upload the video, but I have to wait till it's loaded, and then go back and see if I can link everything in because it's a bear on the phone, so I have to do it that way. So there he is. I love him. Sweet. Okay, and my last finished object I just got done, and I'm not really happy with it, but I got this off of Etsy, and I can't remember her name for the pattern. The pattern was $3 and some change. When I find it, I will try and link it down below. It's a unicorn egg. Okay. And I made the egg. Okay. And then you undo the button You open it up, and looky, a unicorn. Not really. I don't know what was going on in my head when I did this particular, but when I have some time, I may redo it again. I don't know. I have the pattern again, so I don't know. The little unicorn. And then I added the tails, which was basically the leftovers of this stuff here. I just used some scraps. Anyway, she has one with a dinosaur in it too, so I don't know. Maybe I can try wing the dinosaur and just do this egg, you know, because it's in an egg like this. But yeah, my little unicorn. You know, it calls for some brown here, and at the time I couldn't find my brown, so I used the Red Heart Sparkle Black, which I absolutely hate black now. It is really hard for me to see. So, what do you guys think? I mean, yeah, his horn may be a little crooked, and his eye, I don't know. Is he goofy looking? They're special to me. I love them. You know, I've never done amigurumis, and I just started doing them not too long ago. So I figure, you know, maybe the more I do it, the better and easier it'll become for me. Right? Right. So that is it for my finished objects. And like I said, I went to Michael's, and these were clearanced out. I want to say $2 and some change, maybe $2.97. I'll also link that down below after I get the video loaded and get everything taken care of. I'll find it and put it down there. Those were part of my acquisitions that I got yesterday at Michael's, and my other ones were just my earrings and how about another one of those, or stitch markers, right? Lobster clasps, right? Yeah. Yeah, and I just got an extra one, and I get like the 15mm, and I don't know why I have a hard time finding those here in this area. So it's like, geez, I'm gonna have to go on Amazon again and see if I can find some of these findings, because like these ones here were like buried in the Michael's. Our Michael's store is really small, and when people go to Michael's like that I watch on YouTube, I'm like, they don't even have that at my Michael's yet. Those cotton cakes that people keep talking about, I've never seen them. Not at my Michael's. I told my husband, I said, I gotta expand it out of the box a little and go to another town that has a Michael's. There's one up north, one south, and one way is 45 minutes away. The other one is about an hour away. So pick your poison. I don't know. I'll just probably go south because that's less stressful for me. Let's see. Anything else? Like I said, I'm trying to revamp everything with my podcast. I'm trying to make my channel grow. By the way, I'm at $2.99. What? I'm hoping to go to Hobby Lobby this weekend on Saturday. I haven't got to go in a long time, and I'm hoping they have some sales on. I won't be able to Hobby Lobby because I'm going to check out some more of this stuff, right? And beads. Love my beads. And yarn, of course. Yarn's going to be first, then that's going to be second. I'm going to do something special when I reach 300 or a little over 300, and I'm going to open it worldwide, and it's going to be little small things so I can send it worldwide, you know, as long as it can, you know, people can accept it, but in their country. But it's going to be, because, oh my gosh, that last package I sent, $50. Okay, that's a lot of money for me. For us, for my family. I can't do that really until my channel grows and everything, and that's why I'm trying to make things, and I'm going to try and sell them somehow. I'm going to make a Facebook page or a website. My husband says a Facebook page would probably be quicker and easier. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, I'm just really tired. I was out of cream this morning, and I set my alarm to watch The Secret Yarnery, Krista. I can't miss that lady. We were looking at laptops today, so I hope. Maybe next payday, that way I can get a webcam on there and maybe do some live. Gosh, I would love to talk to you guys live. So, anyway, I'm going to be putting another video out today. Probably some shout outs, I think. And just some yarn talk, maybe, or just shout outs. I don't know. Something like that. So, I think that's everything. I'm going to start working. These are I'm going to be working on when I lay down or something. But I have to start working on fall and winter, Christmas, stuff like that. That's another reason why I want to go to Hobby Lobby, because they have this, I love this yarn, and I like working with that much better than Red Heart. Sometimes Red Heart, for me, you know, undoes, just comes apart. So, yeah. Super easy. You guys gotta check that out. You guys could probably make these in your sleep too. It's super simple. Even if you have these laying around, if you have some of these at home, pull them out and make one of those if you don't want to make a hat. I mean, a hat would be cute. See? Yeah. And the hats are cute on here. But I'm going to sell them. Put them on my Facebook page and sell them. Because I really need to start making some money for my channel. I mean, there's things I want to do on here, and I'm kind of got my hands tied because of money. You know, I'm trying to figure out ways to not spend a lot, but at the same time, I gotta make something. So I'm not selling this guy just because I didn't stuff him very well, and he's mine. So, and the unicorn, of course. These guys are mine. Anyways, I probably bored with you guys with everything. So a couple videos I'm going to be coming out with is hopefully some more finished objects in the next couple days, if I can focus on working on them, because they're going to be some shawls, hats, towels, gloves, things like that. And then I'm going to work on some Halloween stuff and some Christmas stuff, because I want to get all that taken care of. Christmas earrings, Christmas bracelets, Halloween stuff like that, Halloween stitch markers, you know. That's another reason I'm going to Hobby Lobby, is to see what kind of holiday stuff they have. I'm going to do a shout out video. I'm also going to do a video about me. Like, you know, people are doing the 10 Narnia things about them. I'm just going to do a video like that. I'm also, hopefully tonight, I can get a video out on scrunchies. I've never done a tutorial before, so I'm not going to call it that. And kind of nervous about doing it, but I'm going to try it. It's kind of like a demonstration type thing. So, and then I'm going to do another one tomorrow or the next day with stitch markers on how I do it. I mean, everybody probably does it the same way, or they do it differently. I don't know. Just so I can get my videos out. I think that's it. I think I've bored you guys. It's like going on, okay, 20 minutes now. I'll stop flapping now. I'm going to try and edit some of this, maybe, I don't know. Then I'm going to put it out where it's going to take 40 million hours to load like it always does here. And I just want to say thank you for watching my channel, and thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to the ones that have returned to me and stuck with my nonsense. And thank you at the bottom of my heart. As Z would do, she does this. I don't know if I do it right. Hey, Z. Z Formation Creation. I'll put her Z Zelda RJ3. I'll put her channel down in the description box. Y'all gotta need to check her out. Super awesome. Yeah, please tell people about me. Like, share, subscribe. And you all have a great day. Please be kind to one another. We need kindness in the world, and we're just not getting enough of it. But in this yarn community, we can all be kind to one another, right? Right. All right, guys, have a blessed day. Thank you.